Time to do the dishes. These two radios here. Fortunately, they were off when the tree took the pole down that they were on. These two guys here, you can see that this was immersed in water for a long period of time, so there was rust. Unfortunately, the key components here were not water damaged. So now what we do, we take some burning hot tap water, fully mineral, rich and full of chlorine and fluoride and all that wonderful stuff that's in tap water. Nice and hot. We rinse it off, nice and hot, like so. I'm going to go to this guy now and do that same thing over here. This TP-Link radio here. Let's just hit it with some hot frickin' water. Oh, you're going to hate me. Now what do we do? Well, I give her a little shake like a dog. Alright, we'll put that one aside. Take this one. Now, what's step number 2? Huh, you're probably wondering. Step number 2 is this. Gonna give her a little flip. Okay, we're gonna flip this one now. All the key components are. Like I said, there's no corrosion or damage because fortunately there was no electricity. If there was power to these guys when they had become immersed in water, they'd be screwed. So now that I have soaked these guys with isopropyl alcohol, 99% and no less, by the way, I can shake these guys off to get as much of the... Yeah, I see that. I can shake these guys off to get as much of the iso off and then put them on a dry section of counter here. And in this one here, I know that there's really nothing behind here. It's just flat board. So I'm just going to shake this off like so. There we go. And now I'm going to set this on some dry countertop as well. And so now that this is on the dry countertop, I can let it dry right here nice and safe. And then the last step will be inspection before I actually try to power it on and make sure that they function. I have to fully inspect all the pins around the chips. I've got to make sure that fortunately there's only a couple of BGAs on here. So these guys here. And once I inspect those and make sure that everything's happy and it's bone dry, then we can carry on our merry way.